Hi, class 6, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine and in good health and taking care of yourselves and happy, safe, and sound and being strong, eating food properly, loving your parents, respecting them. Great. So, we'll be back. We were doing that solar system part, right? So, I'll just again brief you is the solar system, the earth in the solar system, or the earth and the solar system rather. That's in the book. What I give my own name sometimes, but I have to use the name in the books. The earth and the solar system, or earth in the solar system, whatever. Earth is inside the solar system, right? So the sun, 9 planets, satellites, asteroids, meteoroids form the solar system. The sun, 9 planets, satellite, asteroids, meteoroids form the solar system. The sun, the boss. The sun is the center of the is in the center of the solar system. It is made up of extremely hot gases. The sun is about 115 million kilometers away from the earth. 150 million kilometers, don't think about it also, very far. So, planets, there are 9 planets in our solar system. The 9 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth. Earth is the third planet. Mars, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. Planets move around the sun in a fixed orbit on their own axis. Mercury is the nearest planet. Pluto is the farthest planet from the sun. A new planet 2003 UB313 has been discovered. It is bigger than Pluto and is farthest from the sun. It's bigger than Pluto and much more far away from the sun. Obviously, if it's farther away from Pluto, so it has to be farther away from the sun. Earth is the third nearest planet to the sun and the fifth largest planet in our solar system. The Earth is a unique planet because it supports life. It is also called the blue planet. Its shape is a geoid. Okay, we can call it a geoid. Okay, clear? Great. The moon. It is the only satellite of the earth. Earth's own satellite. It is the only satellite of the earth. Its diameter is 1/4 of the earth. 1/4 of the earth is the moon. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from us. It's a bit more closer than the sun. It moves around the earth in about 27 days. In 27 days, it completes one section of the earth. Then we have the full moon and the half moon and the new moon. Only one side of the moon is visible to us on the earth. No life exists on the moon as it has neither water nor air. Clear. I'll come back again, I'll repeat it. Asteroids. They are numerous tiny bodies which move around the sun between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. The largest asteroid is the Ceres. We had one fall somewhere last week in some place in Gujarat or somewhere it fell. Meteoroids, small pieces of rock which move around the sun are called meteoroids. Our solar system is a part of the Milky Way, the galaxy. Milky Way was named the Akash Ganga. There are millions of galaxies that make the universe. The stars and the moon are celestial bodies which are visible only at night in the sky. During daytime, the power of the sun lights renders them from visible. We cannot see it because of the sun rays, so much brighter than that. The moon appears differently on different nights, like the full moon only once a month on the Purnima night, whereas on the 15th night after that there is no moon in the sky. It is called Amavasya, a dark sky. Some celestial bodies are big and hot since they are made of gases. They are called stars. The sun is also a star. We do not feel the heat and light of the stars other than the sun, since they are very far away from us, even far away from the sun. They are bigger than the sun. Groups of stars that are visible in a different patterns are called constellations. The Ursa Major, the Big Bear, the Small Bear, the Saptarishi, etc. are well-known constellations. The polar star is known to retain the same position every night in the sky. It is also called the North Star. It helps in knowing the north direction. The North Star is like a trolley. Okay, it helps you to see which side is the north. Every day you will see it. It's like a trolley in the sky. So you will know which side is north. There are celestial bodies that do not have their own light. They reflect the light they get from the stars. Such bodies are called planets. We live on the earth. It's also a planet. Most planets have satellites, which are celestial bodies that revolve around a particular planet. The moon is the only satellite Earth. It revolves around the earth. We have our own satellite. That is the moon. The earth and moon are a part of a bigger system or family of celestial bodies called the solar system. The sun is the head of this system and is present at its center of the earth. The planets revolve around the sun of the solar system, while the satellite revolves around the planets. The planets are going around the sun, but with the planets, their own satellite is revolving around the planets, not around the sun. The planets, in addition to revolving around the sun, also rotates about on its own axis. While it's going around, it's also turning. What creation? God knows. The sun is made up of extreme hot gases, and it provides heat and light to the rest of the solar system. It's about 150 million kilometers away from the earth, as I told you. All the planets in the solar system are distant from the sun. Mercury is nearest to the sun. Then we have Venus. Earth is the third one. Then we have Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay. To memorize it, I had taught you my very efficient mother. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ninth one is Pluto. Okay. Now, till August 2006, Pluto was also a planet. Now it is recognized as a dwarf planet, smaller. The shape of the earth is called a geoid, which means it is not perfectly spherical, not round. Since it is flattened at the poles, the earth is probably the only planet that can support life. This is because its temperature, resources like water and oxygen, etc., are present in the proportion appropriate. The ecosystem is right. The biosphere, the atmosphere, the hydrosphere, all right. The ecosystem environment is there. The earth is, with its 2/3 of surface covered with water. Out of 2/3 is with water. Appears blue from space and is called the blue planet. Out of 3 parts, 2 parts is water, 1 part is land. Okay. The moon's diameter is 1/4 of the earth. It is 3,84,000 kilometers, 84,400 kilometers away from the earth. It completes a revolution around the earth in 27 days. Incidentally, it also takes around the same time for a rotation about on its own axis. It does not support life. I'll come back in the next video and I'll say it. Okay, I'll give the rest of it.